Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today, I'm excited to talk about Bolt DIY, the official open source version for Bolt. What is Bolt DIY? Bolt DIY is the official open source version of Bolt. It's a flexible tool designed to let you work with code using advanced AI models like DeepSeek V3, Gemini 2.0 Flash, and even models like Llama 3.3 via Cerebrus. The best part? It's free and runs locally, so you're not tied to expensive subscriptions. What's new in Bolt DIY? Bolt DIY has some exciting new features including Git integration. Clone repositories directly and make changes and with AI assistance. Prompt library. A collection of ready-made prompts for different use cases. Error detection and fixes. It can detect terminal or preview errors and fix them automatically. Template options. Quickly start projects with pre-made templates. Visual selection tool. Select specific sections of code visually to refine or edit them with AI. Why use Bolt DIY with DeepSeek or Gemini? Now, let's talk about why pairing Bolt DIY with DeepSeek V3 or Gemini 2.0 Flash is so effective. DeepSeek V3. It's fast, accurate, and free to use through its API. Gemini 2.0 Flash offers reasoning and multimodal capacities, making it perfect for advanced tasks. And it's also free. These models provide high-quality results at little to no cost. Benefits of using Bolt DIY and AI models. Here's why this setup is amazing. Cost efficiency. Using free models like DeepSeek and Gemini saves money while delivering top-tier performance. Flexibility. You're not tied to one platform or model. You can switch between different APIs. Open source. Everything is customizable and runs locally, giving you complete control. Bolt DIY combined with DeepSeek V3 or Gemini 2.0 Flash is an amazing solution for developers looking for fast, affordable, and flexible tools. Let me know in the comments, what project would you use Bolt DIY for? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!